So in this video, we're going to show you the process for creating and syncing assignments from McGraw-Hill into our Canvas math course. So the first thing you're going to want to do is navigate over to your Canvas course. And you've already in this video, if you're watching this video, the idea here is you've already set up and paired your McGraw-Hill sections with your Canvas sections. If you have not done that at this point, please reach out to the TOSA team and we will make sure that we help you get your Canvas sections and your McGraw-Hill sections paired. From this point forward, we're going to talk about how you get those assignments into Canvas, but you have to have those paired before you can move forward. So what we're going to do is we're going to jump over to McGraw-Hill from our Canvas course by clicking that single sign-on link in our Canvas course. Once that loads, we're going to see a screen that has all of our courses associated with our McGraw-Hill account. Here is the Canvas course, the talking tile, if you will, that is set to distribute the assignments out to our individual McGraw-Hill sections. So this course right here for our math teachers, you have to use this course in order to sync the assignments to all of your classes that you have cross-listed in Canvas. So we're going to click on that course there, and then you would go in here to create your assignments. The method to create your assignments varies. You can go to the assignments tab here. Some people go to the course and create it from that way. Bottom line is you will need an assignment created here in this Canvas course, this McGraw-Hill Canvas course. Again, that's the emphasis there, in order to sync that into your cross-listed Canvas courses. So for this example, let's say that I've created my assignment in McGraw-Hill. I am now ready to then sync it into Canvas. If I jump back over to my Canvas course, and again, I'm in the Canvas course that we have cross-listed with multiple sections, I'm going to navigate to our Canvas course modules. And then what you would want to do is you would want to select the module that you want the assignment to come into. So if we wanted the assignment to come into this summative module, we would click on the three dots out to the right of the module, and we are going to launch the McGraw-Hill integration in our Canvas course. When I do that, you'll notice that this box appears and new content loads on the screen. The primary section has to be launched from that window in order to sync that assignment to all of these classes at once. So we're not launching them individually. We're launching them from the primary section. When I click on the primary section, you'll notice this box right here where it says sync assignments. This is where, if you had any assignments created in McGraw-Hill that had not sunk over to Canvas, you would see them in a list here, and you would click sync assignments. So again, you would open up the integration from the module that you want the assignment to come into. You would select the McGraw-Hill integration. Once that loads, you would then launch the primary section. That primary section correlates to your McGraw-Hill Canvas course here. So the assignments that are created here will then show up under this sync assignments button in that primary section. You would then click sync assignments, and those assignments will then transfer over into Canvas. You can verify that they are the correct assignments and that they are loaded. If you give it, I'd give it 2 or 3 minutes at least for it to load in your Canvas course. You can publish it, make it ready for your students. And then from there, when you click on the assignment, you'll see a window that loads here. And this kind of verifies that you have done everything correctly. From that point, your students should then be able to then access anything that's published in your Canvas course. And you also want to make sure that you've set the McGraw-Hill dates and access to how you want it to be. As a couple reminders, make sure that you do any editing, score updating, or anything like that. Make sure you do that in McGraw-Hill so that that information syncs over to Canvas. And then again, if you've got the Canvas grade passback set up into Focus, make sure that you've set up your assignment groups to match the Focus side of things where there's formative and summative. Make sure that your weights are in there as well, that they match Focus, summative 90, formative 10. Some of that could vary depending on what you teach, but that's pretty standard. And then from there, you're then ready to sync those assignments into Focus. There's another video on our YouTube channel that will go into that detail, specifically the Canvas to Focus grade sync, grade passback. So check that out when you have a chance.